can hear? Yeah. Can you hear?
Yes,
All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vibha
Yes, sir.
and Kusum can hear?
Yes, sir.
Pratibha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you can hear? Okay. Oh, एक ही number है without hyphen. Same number without hyphen. Okay. So, today we are having open conversation, means without any paper, open conversation. So, you will talk, no paper, no structure. We are not giving you anything. That we will do tomorrow. So today, without any, not a structured one. I won't give you an outline. I won't give you any topic. There's an open conversation. So tell me about what you want to talk. What you want to talk about? One subject you tell me. 2 or 3 subject you tell me. Then alternately you will be talking about that. Okay. We have one more participant coming. You can see Prithviraj has joined. Prithviraj, your audio is off. Your audio is off. Okay, so again, Kusum, your audio is off. Kusum, audio off. Viva, tell her. Yeah. And audio off. The audio is off. Okay. Now you can hear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now first we will have like alphabetical order. Okay. Biba and Kusum will talk and Pratibha and Prithviraj will talk. Okay. So Biba and Kusum, tell me what topic you are going to talk about. What's any topic? What topic you want? Any topic? It can be cooking, it can be movies, it can be COVID-19 situation, it can be a lockdown, it can be about your studies. Any topic you choose, and for 2-3 minutes at least, or 5 minutes, you can choose any topic. What topic you want to choose? Biba and Kusum.
Sir,
Yeah.
when I went for excavation.
Excavation. Okay, very good. Yeah, you're an archaeologist. I forgot that. Huh, Baba? Oh, yeah, she's an archaeologist who digs up the bones of dead peoples. So she's going to talk about, and but when you're talking, Biba is talking about archaeology. Kusumi is her partner, and also Pratibha and Prithviraj. You can ask questions at any time. Okay, you can ask the questions.
Okay.
You can ask questions, and you will ask at least 1 or 2 questions. Everyone has to ask. Okay, Biba, start about your archaeology.
Last year, in April, I went for excavation about 1 week, and I enjoyed
for about 1 week. Okay, you went for an excavation, and that total trip was for about 1 week. Okay, 1 week trip. Then where did you go?
So what you did there?
And what you did there, and also which
dig.
place? No, which place was it? Was it
I
West
went
Bengal or
Birgum.
Birbhum? Okay, within West Bengal, Birbhum.
Birgu.
You went to Birbhum. Then okay, continue. Yeah. Kusum asked a question. I think that what did you do there? You can answer. Yeah. Proceed.
What did you do there?
I learned how to excavate.
You learn how to excavate or how to. Yeah. Then.
And I went for exploration.
Exploration.
Many places, and I enjoyed teamwork.
And also you have
What were the places you
And,
explored? What were the places you explored?
Kotasur.
What were the places you explored?
Kotasur.
Okay. And what were the sites like open field or some museum, or in what kind of place? Was it open field where you have to dig?
Yes, it was
Agriculture field.
Huh.
Okay. Then did you dig anything?
Yes. I sample. I collect soil sample. I found pottery sets and label them, etc. And
Can you give an
in
example of
my
it? Like what you did? One example. Like I was digging this and I found this thing. One example.
I was digging in a trench and I found a microlithic stone
You
tool.
find a microlith stone. Okay, microlith. Huh? You're saying microlith.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, microlith stone. Okay, microlith. Yeah, that is old. And I think new Stone Age. No? Microlith, new Stone Age. Okay,
Yes.
then
My teacher told me it's prehistoric site, single cultural, and it is a production site where tools, pottery were made.
what did was what did you say? The last line. Say a little bit louder. What was the last line you said?
My teacher said it was a production site where stone tools and pottery were made. We found
Stone
many
pottery. Okay.
pottery.
Stone pottery, I mean pots. Okay, and then
Were produced. We find many huts which prove that there was production of potteries.
yeah, potteries. There was a production of potteries. Means they used to make pots, potteries. Okay, very good. What color was it when you found that stone?
Um, pinkish
Mhm.
red, pinkish.
Pinkish. Okay. That was used for making potteries, and there were production of pottery. Very good. Then, apart from this excavation, did you have any interesting time with your friends?
Yes,
Anything interesting?
during
Yeah.
my excavation was my birthday.
Hey,
My friends
wow.
give me a surprise.
Birthday. Very good. Okay.
My friends give me a surprise party. I enjoy it.
My friends gave me a surprise party. Okay. They gave a, or you can also say they threw a party. Give a party or throw a party. So past tense will be gave a party or threw a party. Okay. They had
Give
a,
a party.
threw a party in your honor. I think by excavating you did not find any cake. And then that's your birthday. Huh?
Their cupcake.
No. Diva is digging and inside there she's finding a cake birthday. Okay, Kusum, now it's your turn. Kusum, it's your turn.
Sir, I don't know, I'm not coming.
Hey, anything you say, you don't have to say only about excavation. I don't, don't know. You can say about your college, about your school, what you are doing at home, what did you make for lunch. Anything you can say. There are so many things. Anything any problem you had, and you are saying that I have a brother and he fights. That also you can say. So anything you can say. You can say about your brother and what you are fighting about. You can say about
Sir, Kusum always make
days.
tea, only tea.
You can say about your college days. You can say about your lockdown days. You can talk about if something you are cooking for lunch or you are planning for tomorrow.
I don't know anything at all. I just read and watch TV
Okay, you
series.
discuss about something, an interesting story you have read. Any story or anything which you have read and which you really liked it. Some story you read.
I was reading classic and
It's
I
okay.
don't have any idea what it was about. It was boring and
No, you don't have to. No, you don't have to say the full story. You can say one interesting part of it. Something happened which was interesting. You don't need to say the full story. Or in your life, you have
I,
so many stories. So which story did you like?
I don't know. I don't know. Mostly I like to read mythological fictions
Okay,
and
mythological section.
that's
So which book or which part of the book or which chapter was very much interesting, which was appealing for you? Which did you find most appealing?
It was Mahabharata, and my favorite character is Draupadi.
Draupadi. So you can say why she is your favorite. That's all. Draupadi, she must be having some qualities. So what?
Because she was revengeful, and she was strong.
She?
She was a revengeful woman, and she was very strong.
Strong, yeah. I heard song.
Yeah, not like other women in
Not like others.
that time of stories. Yeah.
They're not like the other women. She was strong and revengeful. She was not like the other women. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, if you write a story, how would you like your women to be? You're writing a story, or even a man or a woman.
Yes.
What qualities you will put in him? You're writing a new story. So you can create a man, means imaginary. You're writing a story. So you create an imaginary character, a man or a woman, and you're going to put some qualities.
Yes.
So what are the qualities, attributes you will have in that person? That person is
Helpful.
an ideal person, huh? Helpful, right? Huh? So there should be some
And
in which he helps others or she helps others. That
yeah, and he will make changes.
yeah, he'll make changes.
Yes. I don't know.
So her says feminist.
Ajay, do one thing. Say something about your sister. Okay. Go some. Say
Yes, sir.
something about your sister, nothing else. Okay. Either your sister or your brother or sister. Say something about your sister. Whom do you find most interesting? Either good or bad, but you find that person interesting.
No one.
No one. Yeah, say about that person.
Yeah, everyone is interesting. I like.
Okay, say about any one person, and why they are interesting. What qualities in them really appeal to you so much?
My brother.
Okay, say about your brother. He's
He's weird,
Hmm.
and I don't know. I don't know actually what he's like. He's just acting
No,
always
I'm not
weird.
asking what he likes, what you like in him. What qualities in him you like? Why do you like him? What he likes, I am not asking. He may like rasgulla, he may like laddu. I'm not asking that. I'm asking you, why do you like him? What quality he has? Like he is helpful, he's kind. So what qualities you like in him? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, he is helpful,
Yeah, he's helpful.
and he helps me. Yeah,
He helps
lots
you.
of things.
Today, what did he? How did he help you today?
He taught me how to play cricket.
How to play cricket? And now you play cricket. Very good.
Sometimes I just know. It's
Acha.
been a long time.
Acha, now you have forgotten. And what else did he teach? What did he teach you? Anything
How
else?
to hold bat.
How to hold? That's a part of cricket. Then anything else?
Yes, sir.
Other than cricket, anything else? Like with
Playing video PC games.
How to play? What game?
PC games.
PC game. Okay.
Computer. Yes.
Computer games. What was the name of the game?
Yeah. Vice City and Assassin's Creed.
Prithviraj, you know about that game? What game it is?
Yes, he's talking about Assassin's Creed and GTA Vice City.
Okay. I think you talk with Prithviraj about that game. Okay, he knows. I don't know. Okay. You talk to him about that game. Okay. Tell him about the game and he knows. About that
Everyone knows about
game. No, I don't know.
that game.
I don't know. You talk to Prithviraj about that game. Same. Whatever you are saying, he will answer. First. About that game. So fast. Say something about that game. Anything?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Okay. Pratibha, have you visited any, have you been watching any film? You can go to
No,
cinema, but at home. Any film, Pratibha? Any film?
Film.
Yeah, any new film? A new or old? But recently, within say the last 1 month or last 2 months. Any game? Any sorry movie?
Sir, Manikarnika.
Manikarnika. You know Manikarnika? Okay, Prithviraj knows, so you two will talk about that.
झांसी की रानी सर.
I haven't watched the film Manikarnika, but I just heard of.
Okay. Yeah, Manikarnika is a childhood name of Rani Lakshmi Bai. I know that. That much I know, history. Okay. Then what did you like in that one? What thing you did like?
She is very brave.
She's very brave. She is courageous. At a very young age, she learned how to ride horses. I mean, I have not watched the film, but I know the history actually. I've read. At a very young age, she could ride horses. She could use all weapons, and she could fight with both hands. And while on the horseback, that horse reins we call it. Reins जानता है ना? वो जो घोड़ा का लगाम होता है. She used to hold it between her teeth and fight with both hands. So with both hands she could fight, and she would also mount or get down from a running horse. A horse is running. In the running horse, she could get up on the horse, mount the horse, or she could get down from the horse. That much I know. All these things are there in the film. Pratibha? All these things are shown in the film? What I'm telling
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these things I know from history. I've not been watching this one. I didn't watch the movie, but these things I know from history. Then anything else? What have you been cooking anything nice lately in lockdown? Any new dish?
Sir, Pani Puri.
Pani Puri, very good. That's the best one you can have. If you had told me, I would have come to your house. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me, how do you make it?
2 times Pani Puri makes soft puri.
Okay. Pani Puri became soft. No matter. Okay, right. Now Prithviraj will say about say. Yeah. Pratibha, you're saying something?
No, sir.
Yeah, say something.
Sir, third time I make perfect Pani Puri.
Perfect Pani Puri. The first 2 times it became soft, right? The third time, Ajay, tell me, how do you make it hard? After making the Pani Puri, then how do you make it hard? You have taken it out from the oil, then you have fried it, you have taken out from the oil, then how do you make it hard? How do you make it crisp? What did you do the third time to make it hard? First time you had a soft puri, so the third time, what did you do?
The third time, sir, to making dough, I use hot water.
Hot water.
Yes, sir.
That means the whole pani puri in another steel bowl or something, you put inside hot water.
Third time.
Yeah, third time only I'm saying. That means in a big, say, a big dish, you took hot water and you put the pani puri inside a bowl, and that bowl was inside the hot water, like hot bath.
No, sir.
Then what did you do?
Sir, to make dough.
To make the dough, you use hot water, right? So you to make the dough, you what are the things you took? Maida and suji, or what else?
Yes.
Maida,
For one cup suji and 1/4 cup maida.
1 cup suji and 1 cup maida, and then you use hot
1/4
water.
cup. 1/4 cup maida.
1/4 cup maida. Maida less quantity, no? Maida.
Yes. 1/4.
And suji 1 full cup.
Or half cup hot water.
Acha, hot water, and then you mixed, and then after frying, after taking out, did you do anything like putting them?
No.
Okay, no, nothing.
No.
Acha,
No.
very good. So if you're doing hot water, you get. I didn't know that, because some people put it under a powerful lamp, bulb. The heat gives out. They put it under a lamp. So that's what I was asking. Okay.
No,
He used
this
hot
is
water. In it.
already crispy.
Mhm. It was already case. No, I've seen people doing it. They take out and then
Hmm.
one powerful bulb, electric bulb or lamp, they shine on it. So
Bulb or sir,
I've seen people doing it. Anyway,
sun
so,
rays, sun
so
rays,
you didn't have to do anything.
sunlight.
You didn't
No.
have to do all these things. When you use hot water, then it's already hard and crisp. Okay, very good. Now, Prithviraj will say something about any topic, either in a book or movie or anything, any music or anything.
Okay.
Okay, he will be saying anything about, it may be a book, it may be a movie. It could be a book, it may be a movie, or it can be a story he has heard. It can be about his college life. Actually, he is a B.Tech student in computer engineering. So it could be about his college exams, anything he will talk about.
Yes.
Are you ready? Yeah, say.
Yes. Yes.
Say,
I
start.
haven't much great experiences with anything, but I've seen movies over this holiday,
Yeah,
and they were Hollywood movies, most of them.
just 1 minute. Ajay, can you, all of you hear it?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. He's having.
Sir, it's
Uh-huh.
not clear.
It's not clear.
It's not clear.
Okay, Prithviraj, speak a little bit louder. They can't hear, just a bit louder,
All,
or hold the microphone closer to your face.
all right.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
All right.
Mhm.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now for me it's audible, for others it's okay now. Vibha, Kusum, Pratibha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you can
Yes.
talk. Mhm.
Yes. So I've been downloading Hollywood movies, most of them Hollywood movies, over the uTorrent, and I've been watching them over this lockdown. So some
From
of them were
Pirates Bay.
sorry.
Yeah, repeat your
From
question.
where?
No, repeat your question.
From which website?
uTorrent.
uTorrent. I downloaded
So,
from torrent.
you use Pirates Bay or something?
No,
Pirate Bay doesn't
uTorrent.
work, so I've used what is the site called? It's called Torrent. Torrent is a browser, web browser for the torrent link.
Oh, okay.
From that browser, you can download the torrent, and within the torrent app, you have to download the software app, and only then it will be downloaded.
Oh, yeah, I can understand.
There's actually, I'll write this one. Yeah.
Hello?
Prithviraj, you can continue.
Yes. So I've been introduced to some great new movies that I hadn't been introduced to earlier, like John Wick, etc. And it's actually John Wick is the greatest thing I have ever been introduced. And John Wick, I've seen all the 3 parts of the movie: John Wick 1, John Wick 2, John Wick 3. John Wick 3 was the latest, and I'm now eagerly waiting for the 4th part. So that is my experience, and I'm doing but nothing much over this weekend except just browse internet and that sort. And studying is a standstill. I haven't been too much studying. So this is my experience. Nothing great.
Okay, ask him questions. All of you will ask him 2 questions each. Vibha question number 1, Pratibha question number 1, and Kusum question number 1. Then Vibha question number 2, Pratibha question number 2, and Kusum question number 2. Ask
Okay.
your question. Which one he liked, which part he liked, or anything you can ask him. Which part of the
Are
movie?
you a student?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think
Repeat the question, Vibha. He could not hear.
completely. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. I'm a second year student. I study computer science.
Which in which institute?
Institute.
UEM, University of Engineering and Management. It's in Kolkata, Newtown.
Kolkata New Town.
It's, yes.
You like reading?
I used to like reading, but after time I didn't get a lot of time. So that habit slowly went away from me. So now I don't have much fondness for that.
Vibha?
Do you have any favorite writer?
Sorry.
Ask again.
Your favorite writer?
Favorite writer.
Favorite writer.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Author.
I don't have any favorites as of such. Favorite writer. I don't have any favorites as such like that.
Your favorite movie?
My favorite movies are some of the Disney Pixar production. Maximum of the
What?
movies are from Disney Pixar production,
Oh,
and John Wick. John Wick is one of them. No, not one of them, but John Wick is another movie franchise. And there are many some other films that you might have not heard about it. And there are some movies.
yeah.
Are you seen Disney animated movie?
Could you please repeat it?
What?
Just repeat the question. I couldn't get it.
Repeat that.
Disney animated movie.
Yes,
Analytical.
yes.
movie.
So that those movies. Yes.
I don't know what kind of movie is that, but still. What is
What can you repeat again?
Animated movies are movies which
animated.
are animated. Computer
Okay,
animated.
understood. No, I thought analytical. That's what I said. Okay, animated movie. Okay, now I get it.
Disney animated movie.
Yes. And they have the most wonderful plot and screenplays. Just better than most of the Indian movies actually.
Yes.
The Hollywood
You're
movies
right.
even. So
Then who asked the question? Kusum, have you finished your 2 questions?
I asked 2 questions.
Pratibha asked how many questions?
I asked all questions.
Ah, very good. And Vibha?
Sir, 2.
2
He's
questions.
lying.
So
No,
Vibha
no,
and
it was
okay. Now Pratibha will ask 2 questions for each of them. You will ask 2 questions from Vibha, 2 questions of Pratibha, and 2 questions of Kusum on what they said. Vibha said about excavation. Pratibha was making pani puri, and Kusum was really watching the film Manikarnika. So 2 questions.
Pratibha, that was Pratibha.
Who? No, who was making pani puri?
Pratibha.
Yeah, that's what it is. And Kusum was watching that film
And
Manikarnika.
she was watching Manikarnika.
And,
Same.
and you are digging and having your birthday party and also digging. Okay, Viraj, you can ask 2 questions. Put 2 questions to each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the pani puri. I am talking about the pani puri now. So how did you make the water, the pani puri water? Which is it with
I never
no,
water of pani puri because of lockdown. I make only
Okay,
puri.
Oh, only pani puri. She did not make the water.
Sukha puri.
Dry puri. It's not pani puri. Pani puri minus pani.
Okay.
Pani puri sans pani. Incidentally, Kusum also learned this word when we are at it. Sans. Sans means minus, without. We are having this when we are inside this.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Can you see the board? What I've written? Yeah. Can you see the
Sans.
whiteboard? What I've written?
Sense.
Sans
Sans.
means without or minus. So yeah, like pani puri sans pani. Pani puri minus pani or
Sans
minus puri,
pani.
pani puri sans pani. Sans means without. So pani puri without pani, we call it pani puri sans pani. Sans is one word. It's not an English word, but it is used in English. It means without. Okay, next.
Without.
Okay. I don't have any more questions about pani puri, but I'm coming to Manikarnika now. So about the
Okay.
Manikarnika movie, did you watch it because you were interested in it or due to peer pressure? Which one? Peer
Can you
pressure is
repeat again?
because all of your friends are watching, so you have to watch so you can compare. You can be yourself, so fit in.
I mean, just you accompanied
So,
your friends, or really you wanted to watch? You are interested
Sir, because of Kusum.
because of Kusum. Kusum forced you.
so,
Okay.
so did you enjoy the movie overall?
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? No.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'm
I
saying how much
full enjoy this
you
movie.
enjoyed the movie fully. Which is
Yes.
the best movie you have seen in your life? Of all the movies you have seen, which one would you rate as the
Which
best?
movie?
Anyone? Anyone your whole life? Any movie? It doesn't have to be the best, but one which was very, very good. Now, whichever comes to your mind. The movie was excellent, super, anything. Which one?
Sir, Dangal.
Huh? Dangal.
Dangal.
Dangal you said, right? Acha. Prithviraj, Dangal. You can ask about Dangal.
Okay, I did watch I binge watched Dangal actually. I didn't watch
Acha,
the whole movie as a part. I binge watched it.
Okay, he did not watch the whole movie. Now, your question to Biba, who is digging up things.
Yes, digging up
Getting a lot of
to the
things.
excavation. So I'm actually very curious about the excavation thing because I've never met one in real life. So I'm asking you this: how do you get news of the excavation site? Like, who gives you this information?
My teacher.
How did you know that that place, if you dig, you will get the stone from which pottery is made? How did you know the place? Who gave you the information?
Our teacher, director, who took us for
No, that's okay,
excavation.
but from where do the directors get news? That's what he's asking.
They are archaeologists. They went for survey and found
Acha, acha.
pottery on the surface. The amount of pottery searched on surface and
Okay, so
and it was
basically it is like test testing case. Like you just dig it around it. You have found something, so you dig it, and if there is an artifact, then you have passed, and if there is not, then you will do some more research type of thing.
I mean, like trial and error. You try, you may succeed. If you fail, then you have to dig in another place. Is it that?
yes. First, we tried trial trenching.
Acha, acha. You try in one place, maybe you don't get anything, then you try another place. So something like trial and error, but intelligent trial and error means you analyze the type of soil or something, and then you know it may be there, and then you dig. Okay. Okay. So your director took you there, so you are digging. And what did you use for digging? What instruments?
It's actually worker did. Used
Hello.
by and we after he dig in mud in soil we find something useful and collected it.
Okay. Then next question. Some background noises. Okay, calm. And any other question? Okay. Now Biba will ask Pratibha one question.
Sir, can't hear you.
Biba, you can ask Pratibha one question.
Why are you so noisy?
Hmm?
Why are you so noisy?
Actually, there's background noise coming, and
Because you are bored. What type of question did you ask me?
Actually, my earphone was causing a background noise. Okay, now you can ask. Viva wants to ask something to Pratibha?
I asked, why are you so noisy?
Huh?
Why are you so noisy?
Why are you so?
Noisy.
No, why are you so noisy? Who is noisy? Pratibha, why are you so noisy?
So she always sleep.
No, sir, I want some tea.
Are you noisy first?
No, sir, she is very boring.
Again, some noise. Okay.
Sir, so she is very boring.
Who is boring?
Viva.
Boring? Viva is boring or Kusum is boring? Who is boring?
Viva is boring.
Viva is boring and Kusum is noisy. That's the thing.